This is how most people use AI. Ask a question, get an answer, and then shake and repeat. But there's a new category of AI that goes way beyond that. They're called AI agents. They don't just answer questions, they actually do work for you. And the people figuring this out are pulling ahead. Here's what you need to know in plain English. A chatbot waits for you to ask something. You type a question, it generates an answer. You ask again, and it answers again. But you're driving the whole thing. An AI agent is different. It can browse the web, it can write and run code, it can create files, search databases, and use other software. You give it a project, and it figures out the steps on its own. Think of it this way. A chatbot is like walking up to a coworker's desk and asking them a question. An agent is like handing them an assignment and saying, go get this done. It's like having an intern who never sleeps, never complains, and actually reads the instructions. That's the shift from asking questions to delegating tasks. And this isn't some future thing. Tools like Claude, which is the one I use, can create documents, analyze files, build web pages. It's pretty phenomenal. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella put it simply by saying, you can ask questions and get answers, or you can assign tasks and have them executed. This isn't hype. 40% of enterprise software will have AI agents built in by the end of this year. The tools are already there. The question is whether you're one of the ones using them. In practical terms, when people work with AI agents, instead of just chatting back and forth, they're 73% more productive. That's not a small edge. That puts you in an entirely different league. And employers are starting to notice who's working this way and who isn't. It's not about AI replacing you. It's about the person who works with AI outperforming the person who doesn't. Okay, so how do you actually start using this? There are 3 things you can do right now. Number 1, stop asking simple questions and start giving multi-step projects. Instead of asking, what's a good subject line for a sales email, say, research re-engagement emails, draft 3 versions with different approaches, and explain why each one might work. See the difference? One asks a question, the other delegates a project. Not only will the agent do the research and create the draft, it will explain it to you. Number 2, pass off the work you hate. Reports, research, first drafts, data cleanup, the tasks that drain your soul. Hand it all off. Let the agent do the grunt work so you can do the thinking and the planning. Number 3, think like a manager, not a user. When you delegate to a person, you don't just say, go do the thing. You give it context, you explain the goal, and then you let them figure out the path. It's the same principle. Tell the agent what you're trying to accomplish, who it's for, and what good actually looks like. Let me give you a real example. Say you have a job interview coming up. Instead of simply asking, what are common interview questions, say, research this company, find their recent news, identify the skills they're hiring for, prepare 3 stories from my background that demonstrates those skills, and then quiz me on my answers. That's not a question, that's an assignment, and the agent will do it for you. I'm not here trying to scare you about AI taking your job. I do enough of that in other videos. I am here telling you there's an opportunity right now that you might be missing. Nearly everyone is still using AI like a search engine. Ask a question, get an answer, done. But the people who figure out how to use AI to actually do work are the ones who are going to have a real advantage right now. So make sure you're one of them. Use AI to elevate your work, whatever it is. That's the message I want you to take away from this video. And if you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll keep making more videos like this and sharing as much as I see about the developments with AI. So thanks for watching. I look forward to talking to you soon.